Kue potong. Kue porong. Hi, welcome back again with me, Nayara.
Hi, my name is Arianna.
It's me again, Ayoka.
My name is Mikaela, and I'm gonna do a food challenge. Wait, okay. This looks like a UFO ship. I've seen this before.
This looks like egg and pancake. And it has a lot of what's it called? Bubbles.
I don't know what it smells like. It smells weird. Do I taste it?
Okay.
Tastes like nothing.
Yep, I don't like it.
Is there coconut in there? Yeah. It smells and tastes like coconut. The UFO ship bread thing.
Kue piring.
Green thing inside.
Kue pocong.
Green pancake.
Kue porong.
It is kue ape. So it's kue ape? Yeah. Oh.
Ape.
Kue ape.
Kue ape from Betawi, Jakarta.
8. 5. Yes, so. 8. What is this? These looks like donut holes. I've never had this before. I think it's some kind of bread thing. The inside is like pineapple filling.
The inside is like bambat. The outside is like crisp, and the inside is sweet. Ah,
it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. Like donut holes, but more oily and with this thing inside. I was gonna try it.
I've tasted this before, but I don't know what it is. Whatever.
There's some kind of strings inside. It's really oily and a bit bitter, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of sweet and salty. And it's fried. Is there coconut in here?
Yeah, it tastes like potato.
Bread with pineapple filling inside. I would name this oily donut holes. What's a mistral? Oh, mistral. Okay.
I don't know what is this. I've never seen this before. Did you never give me this one?